Coming up shortly, the Transporter Erector, or TE, will retract away from the Falcon rocket.
Falcon 9 tanks are pressing for strongback retract.
The TE is the large truss structure you see there next to the vehicle. So first, the clamps will open up, and then after that, that will make way for the retraction of the strongback. It's designed to transport, raise,
Strongback retract has started,
and support Falcon 9 at the launch pad. The TE is also equipped with umbilicals or flexible lines that are used to route the vehicle's fluids, power, and telemetry from the ground systems to the rocket and payload until Falcon 9 switches to internal power and clears the pad. First and second stages are nearly fully loaded with 1 million pounds of rocket-grade kerosene fuel and liquid oxygen. Both the first and second stages should finish propellant loading about a minute apart from each other, with the first stage finishing up at the T-minus 3 minute mark and the second stage finishing at around the T-minus 2 minute mark. As you may have noticed, there are white clouds forming around the vehicle, and those clouds are comprised of the chilled gas above the LOX tank that is vented overboard to maintain pressure in the tank as needed. And when that vented oxygen mixes with the warmer outside air, it condenses into clouds. At T-minus 60 seconds, Falcon 9 will be in startup, and this means that the rocket's autonomous internal flight computers will have taken over the launch countdown. After that, just inside of T-minus 2 seconds, we will light the 9 M1D engines for liftoff. Just heard confirmation of LOX load completion on the first stage. The payload continues to be healthy, and the Falcon 9 team is tracking no issues on the rocket. Weather is still looking green, and the range is ready to support our T0 of 1:48 p.m. Eastern Time. And with that, we are proceeding into the last few minutes of terminal count.
Stage 2 LOX load is complete.
Great call out, there it is. So the first and second stages are now fully loaded with over 1 million pounds of rocket-grade kerosene, fuel, and liquid oxygen. We're standing by now for confirmation that Falcon 9 is in startup at the T-minus 1 minute mark.
Ground gas closeouts.
Might notice an increase in white cloud formation near the vehicle. This is the result of a nominal ground-side process where the TE liquid oxygen feed line is vented down ahead of liftoff.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
At this point, the autonomous flight computers have taken over the launch countdown, and stages 1 and 2 are pressurizing for launch. Finally, we're waiting for the final go directive from the launch director.
MD is go for launch.